Hey folks, your First One 5 Doppler Network has been very quiet all weekend long, and it is at the moment as well, and probably will be for the next few hours. But by the time we wake up tomorrow morning, probably start to see a few sprinkles around, and by tomorrow afternoon, just outright rain, at least in parts of the valley. Future Track suggests that. Clouds kind of thicken up overnight. By the time you get to 7 a.m., spotty showers, especially along the coast and inland. The clouds will be thick and probably a few sprinkles, and then showers break out across much of the valley during the afternoon hours and probably linger into the late afternoon, and this is 6 o'clock, still showing some pretty good rain. Most of it's just that, rain, but there could be an embedded thunder shower within that could produce some brief, heavier rainfall. Most places see less than an inch, but I wouldn't be surprised if one or two locations picks up more than that if you get caught in one of the downpours or you get a couple of them, so it accumulates over the course of the day. By 9 o'clock, less activity, and overnight the rain begins to fade away, and by 9 a.m. Wednesday, maybe a few sprinkles left at the coast. Still a lot of clouds, but I think Wednesday afternoon we finally start to see some breaks in those clouds again. The sun makes a reappearance, and once it comes back, it's here to stay for a while. Rain chances tomorrow 70%, and then early Wednesday, mainly near the coast before about 10 a.m. That's your best chance. After that, I think it dries out everywhere, and then we're dry from Thursday on. Temperature-wise, here's where we stand right now. It's 89 in Rio Grande City, 80 Weslaco, Raymondville, Harlingen, Port Isabel, Brownsville, and then 82 in McAllen and Edinburgh at this hour. Here's a look at your forecast lows tonight, and it looks like we're going to stay upper 60s and low 70s. So after being 40 yesterday morning and mid 40s the day before, now we're looking at upper 60s. So we have, recovered temperature-wise in a big way. And then tomorrow, we're going for highs of 80 to 81, 82, something like that. But if you're in an area that just sees rain much of the day, you probably won't get this warm. You'll spend a lot of the day in the mid 70s. So officially 81 for a high tomorrow, but a lot of the day spent cooler than that. Then 80 again on Wednesday, and then Thursday we bounce up to 90 degrees. A little bit of an upper air disturbance kind of sitting back over here over the southwest, pushing our direction. And as it gets closer, it's going to pull moisture up from the south. It's going to work with the front that's to the north of us right now. And that combination will give us that chance of rain tomorrow night, and early Wednesday. You can see the front on the map pushing southward. That is just kind of a piece of the puzzle. The rest of the puzzle is all this moisture that's going to be increasing. And once we get to the daytime, I think scattered showers will break out. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Again, some places could see rain for several hours tomorrow. By the time you get to Wednesday afternoon, the front's washing out, the upper air disturbance is moving away, so we begin to dry out. And I think after that we see sunshine for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and probably Sunday and Monday and beyond. And with that, temperatures are going to warm up quite significantly, with readings up 90 plus for most of the forecast period. In the Bay, winds out of the southeast 10 to 18, a moderate chop. The UV index is high. No advisories right now. There's a low risk of rip currents. That may go up to moderate tomorrow. High tide, low tide, high tide. The surf's at 75. Seas are running 4 to 6 feet. So for tonight across the valley, we look at about 67 for a low. Clouds thickening up, so a very mild night. Southeast winds 6 to 12. By morning, could be a few showers, but as the day goes on, the chance will ramp up into the middle of the afternoon. Showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm. Nothing severe, but there could be a couple of heavy downpours embedded within this. And I think there could be at least a few places still seeing showers into your trick-or-treat hours tomorrow evening. Wednesday, Thursday, I think we start the drying process, and we're dry all the way then through the weekend. And yes, this is the weekend when you set your clock back 1 hour, Saturday night, Sunday morning. Just a subtle reminder. That's your updated First One 5 forecast.